Hi everyone! In today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to make paper airplanes. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So I have this empty A4 paper and any rectangular paper would work. So what I'm going to do is first I'm going to fold this paper in half from here. So let's do that and make sure you align all the corners. And now I'm going to create a small triangle here. Just simply fold the paper and align the corners like this. And let's do the same thing to the other side. Just flip the paper and create this little triangle. And let's unfold this, and again let's fold this in a half and create one big triangle. And make sure you have enough space at the bottom, because we are going to flip it again. So here I'm going to create two more little triangles here and here. So let's fold this and create our first little triangle. And let's do the same thing here and create our second little triangle. Make sure you go over all the corners multiple times. And now I'm going to flip this little triangle over our big triangle. And now I'm going to fold this in a half. And now I'm going to create my paper plane's wings. To do that, I just simply grab it on top and fold it towards bottom. And again, make sure you go over all the corners. And let's do the same thing to the other side. And that's about it. Here's our little paper plane. And that's basically how to make a paper airplane. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.